Hi, welcome to my Krita tutorial. In this video I'll explain how to make different poses, or at least how I do it. I have to say now that I draw with a mouse, so that's why you'll see some not that well traced lines through the video, but the results are great anyway. So first of all, we open the Krita file. I already have a background and the first pose made, but let's pretend I only had the background. In that case, firstly I would go find the character design, take a screenshot and put it as a layer in Krita. With that, I select the part I want, delete the other part and decrease the opacity level, just to make it easier when I'm drawing over that. Then I'll go again to the storyboard to see what type of shot I need to draw. In this case we have a close-up or close shot. So I'll adjust the size of the screenshot to what I consider would be a close-up size. Also I'm gonna want to have some reference photos, mainly for the facial expressions and maybe for proportions too. Let's just pick this one where she's smiling, the expression we want to draw. And we decrease the opacity level too and adjust it to the desirable size. Next step, drawing the lines. We create a new layer over the character design and start drawing. I know the lines I'm drawing now are not the best, but this was just for the video. With the actual drawing I put more effort and a lot of love, of course. Also, I'm not very technical professional because I just like drawing. I didn't take any course or whatever, but this works for me, so I guess it's fine. As you can see, this style is pretty simple. We're not looking for very detailed stuff. That makes it easier to redraw the lines without much complication too. Okay, when I think I have the basic lines, I jump into the reference photo. Okay, kinda creepy with both layers like that, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, I'll use this to perfection the face lines and to relocate the main parts of the face, which are eyes, eyebrows, nose and mouth. Next part is the body. I try to use, well, in a way I force myself to use anatomy basic lines, because if not then I end up with very bad proportioned feel. So this way I can control that all the parts have the same or at least similar size. The pose I want to draw is Hillary waving, so I'll just draw a draft of that pose. It's very simple but very useful. When I'm happy with the draft, I'll start erasing the lines I don't want and shaping the hand and the arms. As I said before, maybe this one isn't perfect nor very well proportioned, but just for the sake of the tutorial, let's pretend it's okay. To finish the lines, I look at the character design and draw the dress. Next step is coloring. I create another layer apart from the lines, and I start the cycle of eyedropper tool, selecting wand and filling tool. I saw in another tutorial that you can fill an area with color even when the lines are in a different layer, but I don't know why the program doesn't let me do it, so that's the alternative way I found. Anyway, when everything is colored, I just paint the area near the lines, because the selecting wand isn't perfect, so when coloring it doesn't feel that parallel. And here you go, your first pose. I don't show it here because I already did it before making the video, but important, save it as an image and then open again the Krita file. Now I'll hide the color layer, and what you want to do is to copy and paste the line layer. We'll use one of them for the second pose, and we'll decrease the opacity level on the other one. Now I select the part that will move in the animation, in this case the arm and the hand, and I rotate it or modify its position. It's important to have the original line layer there to see and calculate the difference between poses. Once I found a suitable pose, I redraw some of the lines so the drawing is well connected. Then I show again the color layer. This part could be done in different ways. In this video I just fill again the arm and the hand with color, and I erase the other area that was used for the first pose. But another way to do it is to rotate or modify the position of the part we're interested in, just like we made with the second pose line layer. Then we fix some little details and that would be it. We save it as an image, and here we have Hillary hand waving. That would be all. Even though I'm sure there are more professional tutorials on internet than this one, I hope it was useful. At least it's a way that works for me. Anyway, if you have any question, just ask me and I answer it. Thanks for listening. Bye.